Hello guys, myself Shreya from We Care Educate. I am here to give you some short idea and important notifications regarding Internet of Things, that is known as IoT. So, for the first thing that will come into your mind is what is IoT? So, IoT is simply an ecosystem of connected physical devices. Like if you are running or if you are doing some works regarding that, you will get something notification in your wearables or the devices that are connected with you. To be very simple, nowadays we have seen that we are using our Fitbit or Fastrack or some other wearable devices, that there we get some many informations. From the very first beginning, IoT, the term was first coined in 1999 by Kevin Ashton. That man has first coined the term IoT. Regarding that, the components of IoT, you can see that which contains sensors, pupil and connectivity. First, the sensors will help you to sense the works that we have been instructed to do. Pupil will control the sensors or give them an idea on which aspects they are going to work and what to do. And the connection or the connectivity that we are going to make between a sensors and a pupil. These all the three things combining together and forming an IoT, that is known as Internet of Things. The other name of Internet of Things is M2M, that is machine to machine or Skynet. But among them, Internet of Things, the term IoT is much more familiar and we can use it anywhere where you want. You can see the growth of IoT over here. These are the million of devices, the number, and these are the years. From 1999, as per the term has been coined, they have started working on it. So they took some years to get familiar with that, to do an approach. First, you can see at 2002, 2000, then 2004, then 2008, 12, 16, 20, and so on and so forth. The graph is increasing and the number of devices in millions, it has changed into billions. So what is the scope of an IoT? You can get a complete diagram wherever you can go, such as regarding your factory or any houses or any company. You can see a million of devices that is working on this aspect that is known as IoT. Regarding security, IoT play a major role in security. Suppose as a discussion of a project of there are many aspects on which IoT have played a role of security. They can make a billion of devices, billion of connections with people and making a strong bond with pupil and with sensors. The main field where IoT has covered a large number of sources is in manufacturing. If we get something that has been manufactured for different terms or different times, we can see it in manufacturing devices, like the modules we are going to use, the sensors we are going to use, all has been manufactured. Without manufacturing, we cannot get that available in our market. Then we come to hospitality, then to our transportation, warehousing, where we can get a number of information if we have a small sensors or that aspect that given to that sensors to do, and it will follow as per as the pupil are giving instruction to the sensors, they are making a connectivity, that all fits in a IoT. So there are the IoT applications, that is including management, retail, logistics, pharmaceuticals, food, and the last but not the least is education. Regarding management, if we are doing or complementing business, there we need to manage a lot of things. Regarding that, we can use some sensors, some IoT devices that help us give information and give us output. In retail itself, logistics, pharmaceuticals, the number of medicines that are going out, coming in with a record or the expiry date, especially that will be read by the devices that we are using, and it will give a complete message before and after the stocks come in and out. Then food, the number of stocks is here also, the expiry dates generally seen in food, and the education. There are many other aspects that are like in smart home. If you are giving your fingerprint to if you are giving your part of face, your face recognition, then smart cities, where we can see that in a road there are some if we are going out of electricity, the light will automatically come on due to the lack of electricity. Smart grid industries, connected cars, there are one thing must. At present, IoT has faced many challenges, that is scalability, security, and software complexity. Software complexity is depending on the data platform where we are working, because to run a sensors we need to give them a perfect information or a perfect sketch which a pupil will do or a person will implement, and according that the sensor will do. The case in which IoT has owned the number of people's mind just because if we are sitting in our laptop and doing a code, we cannot see it physically. We can see that the code has compiled, it has run the multiple times, it has satisfied our mission. But in case of IoT, we can see that code is running on a physical device and we can see it physically at our hand, and we can get a satisfaction that yes, the work, the thing we have created and given so much of effort has given us a complete result. Behind that, the growth and the components, the IoT applications we can use it in many aspects, many much more fields. So here, concluding that the projections of IoT on the internet economy are impressive, and by the upcoming day, you can see the growth of IoT by 2020, after 2020, 21, 22, 23, and so on and so forth years. The growth of devices will be much more, and the implementation will be much higher. Thank you. So guys, for more videos and for more updates and for more tutorials, you can visit to our channel We Care EduTech. And to be a part of We Care EduTech, you can contact to the numbers given in our description box. You can also see our websites that the link has been provided. So here we not only do live projects but also we visit industries. We can go as an intern. We can also visit many companies. So be a part of We Care EduTech. Thank you.